In this video, I will show you how to force graphic dedicated driver for any apps on your Android phone, whether gaming apps or whatever apps you find out that is quite lagging on your Android device. It is advisable that you assign a dedicated system graphic driver for that particular app to run smoothly. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you go to my phone. Go ahead and click on my phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you scroll down and then go ahead and click on fashion info. Under fashion info right here, you have your build number. Tap your build number 7 times to enable developer. You are now a developer. After a successful enable a developer, simply go back, then come to search right here and search for graphic. Just type in graphic, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on select graphics driver right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and choose any and make sure you enable for all right here. It's by default. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is to select a particular app that you want to assign a graphic dedicated for. So for that, I'm going to select this particular Alibaba.com right here, and then you have a system graphic driver. Then go ahead and select on that. You can review and select a dedicated system graphic driver for as many as possible apps you have on your Android phone, and you are done. With that, the app become more faster and responsive as far as you have assigned a dedicated graphic system card for it. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.